Welcome to the story of Milo and his magic brush. One night, a young boy named Milo was exploring the old stuff of his house when he stumbled upon a strange, sparkling paintbrush. It glowed with a magical light, as if it held a secret power. Curious and excited, Milo took the paintbrush down to his room and decided to see what it could do. Milo held the brush over a blank piece of paper, and to his amazement, as soon as it touched the surface, colors began to swirl and dance, forming beautiful shapes and pictures. The paintbrush didn't need paint or ink. It created colors more vibrant than any he would ever see. Milo's excitement grew as he realized he could create endless designs. So he set to work painting his room. Bright landscapes, starry skies, and colorful patterns filled the walls until his bedroom was a beautiful masterpiece, like a world of art and imagination. The next day, Milo's friend Sarah visited, and when she saw the magical colors and design on his wall, she was amazed. Milo knew the brush was too special to keep just for himself, so he offered it to Sarah to try. Sarah painted a small rainbow, and like magic, the rainbow glowed with rich colors. Together they realized the joy this paintbrush could bring, so they decided to take it outside to share the magic with their neighbors. Milo and Sarah walked down the neighborhood, using the paintbrush to decorate fences, sidewalks, and walls with cheerful designs. What was once a gray and dull street now brushed with colors and creativity. Neighbors came outside to admire the changes, delighted to see their homes brightened by Milo and Sarah's magical touch. As Milo and Sarah painted flowers, animals, and happy scenes, leaving smiles everywhere they went. Eventually, Milo and Sarah reached the home of Mr. Hanson, a grumpy old man with a tall gray fence that seems as unwelcoming as his fawn. Despite his stern look, Milo and Sarah decided to add a little color to Mr. Hanson's fence, hoping it might bring him some cheer too. They painted a beautiful glowing flower, and as Mr. Hanson watched, his frown began to fade. The sight of the bright flower softened his expression, and he couldn't help but feel a bit of the joy that Milo and Sarah were spreading. But as Milo continued to paint, he noticed the paintbrush magical glow beginning to fade. Colors didn't shine as brightly, and the brush felt heavier in his hand. Milo realized that the paintbrush magic was running out. Saddened, he held the now ordinary looking brush and wondered if he would lose the gift. But as he thought about it, Milo began to understand something important about it. It was not just the magic in the brush that had brought joy to his neighborhood. It was the kindness and creativity he shared with others. With this realization, Milo decided that even without magic, he could still bring happiness to others through his art. He picked up some regular paints and continued decorating, now using the creativity and kindness that had been inside him all along. Neighbors still gathered to watch his work, smiling and laughing as Milo brightened up the neighborhood with his own effort. Milo had learned that true magic came from within, and that the gift of joy shared with others was the highest magic of all.